Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but my husband and I always try to put on a screen protector in all of our devices. Let me show you how this one is so different and unique. My husband and I have been loving this Magnetic iPad Pro screen protector from FILMEXT. Super easy to install. It only takes 4 steps. You're going to see that first you're going to wipe it down, then you're going to dry it up, take away the lint, and after that, you are just going to attach the screen protector with no trouble, without any problem, since this is a magnetic, removable screen protector. That's what I love. There's no need to struggle. You don't need to be aligning it. It's just super easy to use. And we love that this provides privacy protection. So this means that nobody around you is going to be seeing what you have on your screen but you. We have been loving this. This is anti-glare. No more suffering with those bubbles that you cannot get rid of when installing a screen protector. We are loving this magnetic screen protector, and we know you will too. Very different from others, very easy to use, but that's just my point of view.